What's up, guys? It is Mike. We are here at Spirit in the back of the Moonlander from Radica, a company out of Colorado. Denver?
Yeah.
Denver, Colorado.
Denver, Colorado. That's Luke, the owner or the founder? Both?
Both.
CEO?
Yep. All the
both.
names.
And Freddie? Freddie, what do you do for Radica?
A lot of janitorial work, but I do the marketing. I used to do the customer service. Started as a welder, but yeah, now I run the socials and all that stuff.
Very cool. So yeah, this is a it's a camper. It is what it is. You see it, it doesn't move from here. We've got it in some what do you call this? Couch mode?
Couch mode.
Tell me a little bit about it. It's aluminum,
Yeah.
aluminum frame.
Yeah, all hard shell, aluminum frame. The cab over is for storage, so you've got tons of storage. You've also got your garage underneath the couch or bed.
Yeah.
The couch folds down into a queen.
Yeah, we're gonna show you that. We just wanted to all get in here to start.
You've got a ton of
It's
space.
getting kind of hot, I'm not gonna lie. I had seen these on the road. I had installed an awning on one, and I have seen more and more, and they're really growing on me for a lot of reasons. One, this right here, just to be all cuddled up on a nice big old couch. Got some big ass windows, some lights. We got Starlink here, a fucking Stargazer dome window. I don't know how many.
I could fit up there for sure.
Yeah. That's like a gear overhang. So wait, again, I'm just for the people I know. The X model has the overhang. Do all of them have them now? Because I think we were talking. The first one that I saw was just a.
Yeah, the OG Moonlander does not have the cab over.
Okay, but you still make it.
Yeah, we still make it, but most people buy the Moonlander X.
Yes. Why did you get in this business? Why did you build this? And why did you call it Moonlander?
Moonlander was actually like a joke at first.
Okay.
I built this because I wanted something that was a little bit bigger than a regular topper and couldn't find anything, so I knew some fabrication skills, built it for myself, and then we went to Yellowstone and got a bunch of interest, bunch of questions, and pretty much posted an ad on Craigslist and had a business running like a few months later.
Hell yeah.
So-
How many Moonlanders are out on the road?
We got
I think we're at
just over 600.
yeah, so like 430, 450 of the regular Moonlander. We're like last time I checked, I saw number 187
Yeah,
on.
about to hit 200 on the X.
Yeah, on the X. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull the mattress down in half.
Here?
Right. Yep. And then you're gonna grab that little strap.
Yep.
Pull it over the
Pull
bed.
it over. Okay. And then push all of that together as one back. There you go. Now grab that bed panel and you're gonna grab the other side of it.
Like this?
Now just flip that forward.
Flip it. There you go.
This way?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then lay it on the rails.
It's never been done by me. So
Sweet.
And then pull the bed over and open it up. and
Pull
you're
it
done.
closer to you, and then pull it forward.
and then flop,
Yep.
That's it, dude.
flop.
Hey.
Flop. Queen size bed.
You ready to
Very
cuddle,
simple.
Very cool. So, tell me a little bit, just so the questions that everyone's gonna ask. How much does it cost? How much does it weigh?
Yeah.
What's the weight on this?
Really light. This one starts at like 350 pounds.
Okay.
For like a 5-foot truck bed.
Nice.
It really depends on what you add. Like the windows add 25 pounds each. So this one right here is about 420.
Okay.
And it starts at 8,500, and then it goes up from there depending on what options you choose. So we kind of do build your own pizza. So you start with a blank shell,
Yeah.
the blank base, and then you pick and choose exactly what you want.
Okay. Are there any like cheese and sauce are always on it? So does the fan always come with it, or?
The cheese and the sauce is the bed panels
Okay.
and the shell
Nice.
and the brake light.
So this way, how you have it configured with these two awesome huge windows, blinds, which we'll show you later, which I didn't see the first time. I really like this Moonlander Dome Light. How much is this one configured as is? Full-size truck with all the bells and whistles.
This one's like 13,000. But this has solar on the front. It has a fan, lights, the big Arctic turn windows, queen size bed.
Dang.
But we even have more options. We can fully insulate it. 4-season camper. This one does have the diesel heater port.
Okay, just noticed that.
Yeah.
I was researching that before you came. Sick. You got some cab lights here on the side?
That's just the side markers when you're driving.
Okay.
To show your width. But this is the slim side pod. So we have 2 different sizes.
Yeah.
You've got the slim side pod and the full side pod. So on a full size truck like this, right here, we've got 6.5 feet of sleeping length. And then the full side pod would give you 7 feet of sleeping length.
Nice. What would you say your unique USP is? That's a business term. Because it is different, right? There's a lot of wedge campers, and then I feel like there's being another Colorado builder is making one that just pops up, and so you're seeing the shift to that. There's no pop-up here. This is just like a mini house. You see these in Fort Collins on the back of a Subaru made out of wood.
We wanted 0 canvas, 0 pop-up. Like, it's not certified, but like a bear's probably not getting in here. You know, you feel safe inside, and there's no hassle. So if it rains or snows, you just drive away.
Sure.
You don't have to fold anything down. So that and the extended sides giving you tons of sleeping space is probably the most unique feature.
Yep. Wow, I honestly didn't know that. 1, that it was 350 pounds, and 2, that when you fully deck it out, you're still under 15K. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy cool. What about the back? Have I seen like ambulance doors, or is that on the older ones?
We have a big single barn door.
Okay.
Or this flip up.
All right.
But we've got probably one of the biggest doors in the game. So it's an instant awning.
Yeah.
So we always tell customers that they should get this because you just pop it up and you've got rain and shade.
I do like that.
Cover.
If you're working on tailgate, you've got coverage.
Sweet.
So yeah, Radica. They make this thing. It's called a Moonlander. They're here in Colorado, made here in Colorado. What's the lead time on one of these things?
Right now we're at about 4 months, so you could get it before spring, before the season starts next year.
This is really what I'm excited about. You guys just started making this. This is your first product outside of campers?
Yes.
The first product we're gonna carry, right? Are we carrying this?
Yeah.
Is it a deal?
You should. It's a deal.
We're gonna carry these. Just sold it. No, check this thing out. So this is Afterburner. Tell me about it.
Yeah, so Afterburner, what we were trying to achieve with this is a full kitchen in the size of a cooler. So full kitchen in a box and pretty much 0 setup, just like Moonlander. We don't want to have to do all this stuff at camp that takes us away from camping. So we've got a full slide out stove, flip down shelf. We designed it to fit any camping stove. A lot of people have camping stoves.
Did you have
so
a
you don't have to
Coleman in
buy.
here
I
last time
did have a
saw
Coleman.
this? Okay.
This Dometic
nice.
is really nice. Yeah, this
Sweet.
thing is slick.
I've
It
heard-
might be a little dirty. I used it this weekend.
That's
but,
all right.
yeah, this thing's super nice. Run the propane up to our 12 pound. If you don't, 12 pound. If you don't have one of those, you can open this up, run a line into a 1 pounder.
Yeah.
1 pounder will sit up in here with it closed. When you open the Afterburner up, you've got a nice little shelf to place stuff on. You've got your soft bag storage. So the idea here is that you dirty up your dishes at camp, you throw it in the soft bag, you take it to your kitchen when you're done, everything's easy to clean. And then we've got a paper towel holder and a swing out Dometic faucet.
This is my favorite part.
So for people that don't know, the Dometic faucet, it's got a little pump and rechargeable battery inside. You just double tap that and you've got running water. We ran the water to a Rotopax. So Rotopax sells water tanks and they've got a 2 gallon and a 5 gallon. And we developed a quick disconnect on the back. So You can hot swap it. You can have another 5 gallons on your rig, whatever. Roof rack, and have a ton of water.
So the reason why I am really intrigued by this product is because I made the mistake when I first got in this industry of building like a full camp kitchen setup. Super sick, 2nd gen Tacoma. I ruined it. I just didn't really think about how I use my truck, and unfortunately I don't camp as much as I'd like to. I use my truck for a lot more things, I should say, than camping.
Truck
stuff. And it was a sick setup when I was camping. 90% of the other times was not convenient. And so to have something like this, I like to say grab and go. I'm a last second dude. So having like your camp kitchen, stove, cooking stuff, water, paper towels, all that jazz in one setup that you can easily take in and out is super intriguing to me. I haven't seen anything like it really on the market other than those super Chinese, pop-up tables, things that keep popping out. I feel like I've seen a lot.
And a lot of that, like, you have to have the grill stored somewhere else, or you have to take it out of a compartment and like set it up. You got to set up the legs.
It is.
I didn't want any of that. Just
this is all in one.
Yeah.
And you've got mounts everywhere. Although it's a pretty. What's the weight on this thing? Dry
is like 49 pounds.
Okay, not so bad.
Yeah.
And what is the retail price?
$10.99, $1,099.
Sweet.
And that includes the full Dometic system with the Rotopacks.
Okay. No stove.
No stove.
But it's fit for universal tune burner stove.
You already got a stove, you can put whatever you like in there.
Yep, I saw you at True a couple weeks ago and you had that turquoise Coleman.
Coleman makes a bunch of options. This Dometic one's really nice. And then same with the soft bag. I'm using the Step 22 bags, super nice. It's got Velcro so you can make compartments. But Dometic makes one. A bunch of brands make kind of these kitchen bags.
Yeah.
You can throw in there. And then it's not permanently mounted, so you've got wheels on the back. You can close it up, roll it in your garage when you're done.
A big fan. I'm excited. He brought me one to play with, so I'll be taking it out this weekend for the first time. Pretty excited about it. Afterburner, Radica, Moonlander, Luke.
Check it out.
Freddie, Kylie, Corey. Awesome, dude. Well, thank you so much for coming out, showing me this, bringing the team, drinking some beers. Nice meeting you guys. These guys, Colorado folks, building shit here in Colorado. You know we love that here at Spirit, so wanted to give them some love, and big fan of this. Come check it out. We're going to have it here at our store and maybe on our site.
Yeah.
And second deal. Fuck yeah. And what's our margin? No, I'm just kidding. All right. Check us out. Check them out. Appreciate you guys. Oh, yeah. Follow, like, subscribe. Eric tells me to do that every time. Woo!